Maybe now I'll honor the invitation to go to his house because anytime he sees me, he invites me to his house. So Godfather, that been a few. Oh, Godfather, breathy.
How can I get this song?
I can't back this song. No, I say me baby. Now kwano only kukwasa na zo grisa wa. What's me tia say ba my sirisa. Whatever is in the song, the foolish man issue, he has said it to so many. No, he has said it to so many people.
You know, say you be free.
Yeah, no, and now my baby names so I can't any baby brain.
It doesn't hold what have you, man.
That time the day, I don't know. It's in so you say no marry me from there's nothing in the song.
Adafo yewaha na Sophia eni ode nsemi bae yesa akode interview bi mu kasa say aya omo artist celebrities no omo to kwan a omo stress pa enu nti ema Sophia eni oye France ambassador to Ghana e be kan nsem bi say omo hia diplomatic passport ye enkofo binum to say Stone Boy Shatta Wale sa akode Black Sheriff can promise omo hia diplomatic passport e be mo omo hahihan wo mo eba sama Ola Michaels enso de nsem beto wo no mo say maame mede wo ya pa na de ntina wo bo enkofo bi din a wo say wo fa Shatta Wale enka wo sabe obi a watimi adi mpanyimfo Ghana mpanyimfo nyina atem mbo ade mbo bia na ono ye man diplomatic passport emfa ye den when they do oya ne say o de kama besi nanim sabe as a comedian eno ana oye no on shada emwa Ghana sa
akoma obi ti say Wale me see no offense intended offer chemi but akoma obi ti say Wale
that was true
no means so but I don't want to disrespect him. No, I don't want to disrespect him, but I'm using him as an example. We are not on boni but obi a who di juma so next who was sebi who nim die bi ni capability bi a ode ye tinya de ma but ye ma diplomatic passport near process studio no enso na me tell social media so me didi obi atem na wo ba be ma bad example be gina social media who hwihim who di obi ma me atem obi papa atem obi ba bi atem come on
enti Shatta Wale enso so reply no cause ni bu fu no say aden Ola me no wa asem aden na wa say untimi fa ma asem enkoto a ansem a mo di hu nkomo o YouTube utimi di ma asem koto wo no meka enti no Shatta Wale enso so reply Ola Michaels out me ye nyum kra de man no e ka ho this song out too nyum ni din say this side
no say you know you be foolish man stop the chase girls with boyfriends Ola you be foolish man if I say on your toto, it be normal thing. Mama trap, it be normal thing. Your mother, your father, normal thing.
Enti sa enyum ni mu no we can say me to say oh Ola cry a foolish man and they are dinner sebe ne mama baby ne nyama Ola aba be reply Shatta Wale pacho me enko tibra.
Sometimes when you get in your booth your attitude changed. Maybe now I'll honor the invitation to go to his house because anytime he sees me, he invites me to his house. So Godfather, that been a few. Oh, Godfather, breathy.
How can I get this song?
I can't back this song, no. But you know, it's also interesting. I'm not that. It gets to a point to be person year, but when you actually find you, that's why I share the new information.
That's why you're foolish man.
But then that's what I catch in the from Ayewa Demoa to Teresa Mono will be agent.
And all grades so Jenny was side.
Only more grade.
But so grade Jake a crowd side.
All grades in a frame you.
I
a nickname. Men can already so. No say hey.
When the international recognition.
When I'm here, no, the answer was stress. I say when I'm here, me baby. Now kwano hey. Only kukwasa na zo grisa wa. What's me tia say ba ma stressa.
Oh. But I thought you guys were cool. I thought you guys meet and
cool, but I told you I could share boot man at the bed 2 a.m. and no money different.
Or maybe you took what you said to heart.
No. But I realized that whatever is in the song, the foolish man issue, he has said it to so many. No, he has said it to so many people.
You know, say you be free.
Yeah, no, check. And now my baby name so I can't any baby brain.
It doesn't hold what have you, man.
That time the day, I don't know. It's in so you say no marry me from there's nothing in the song. That's the bottom line. But it doesn't also take away anything from our relationship.
No, but I would say the part where he insulted your face, I think that one you should go and come back because you are more pleasurable looking.
Also, Mr. Ponche. And no, what say? I saw a tag of one of his followers, a couple of them before this one, and they said what body say Ponche.
Okay, so maybe he's doing it for the fans.
He's doing it for the fans.
Yeah, because you are cuter. So
I mean, you know. I said you're flattering me. Stop it. Many Shatta Wale cute.
To me, no, you are cuter to me.
Chaso.
I mean, I always thought you are cute. So. Such a type, it was just on me or my mommy. It was a bad day cute, Obama, you cuter. The old man and money cute.
Wait.
I don't say you do a lot of things for me, both tangible and intangible.
You are saying this because of the Momo I received?
A lot of them. Like a lot of things have contributed to your handsomeness this morning, my brother. Me who nyam also. As a why I come and pay. As a was strength and shuma. One covered and go to a baby. Oh, Papa, one covered and hernia. Bema one corner sensation of Z. Yes.
Sikani 50 Ghana.
Now, soon can in Tamama, Obia may have patched over me wasting time. I can find them.
And see, other four, and someone, Ola, a jugu, and no say, oh, na Shatta cry, and out to me frame a boss near the idea. Na me brave nyade yes think od be kan no kra asanyaka na ase first no mo ye very fine but you see ano ase nsem bi ekoso e wo mo mienu omuntem na ema Ola so na Ola kra ase why relax ase asem no kra en shada fa no ho bisa en binum Ghana fo nim bi mu say ase ye prank and ase ye trend en on pese omon trend bi mu so say ase ye real eni ade enti no ensem a ne kra me de ebremu eno no enti ye besan ehia dasene makram